I've gone and done something you're not going to believe what it is. Okay, I've gone and bought a new four-wheel drive. No, like a new four-wheel drive, like brand new. Yeah, that's right, I'm the first owner. Now, I've never bought a new four-wheel drive in my life. Never bought a new car in my life, so this is a whole heap of world first. But what is it? Well, you're gonna have to see, because you're gonna reckon I've absolutely lost my marbles. Here it is. Here it is. It's a BYD Shark. It's electric. It's not even a real four-wheel drive. Like, it doesn't have a tail shaft, doesn't have a transfer case, doesn't even have a gearbox. It's got 2 electric motors. I mean, talk about a bloke that's completely mad. That's me. Anyway, why have I gone and done something stupid like this? Well, I want to see if it can go up Beer O'Clock Hill, and that's going to be something that we'll show you in an upcoming video. But you see, over the next 12 months, I want to see whether this vehicle is any good at touring, at four-wheel driving, at doing what Australians do when they want to go and hit the roads and do a bit of travelling and a bit of four-wheel driving. I'm going to find out what it's like, and I'm going to let you know all about my findings. Now, you might be thinking to yourself right now, yeah, good on you, Matt. BYD sponsored you, and here you are. No, they didn't. They had nothing to do with it. Here's the invoice of my cold hard money buying that car, because I want to give you the real information. I don't want somebody telling me what I got to say. I want to be able to tell you what I find and share it with you. So if you're not already following my Facebook, Instagram and YouTube channels, well, I suggest that you get onto it right now so that you can follow this information and see how this adventure unfolds. But I'm also going to be continuing the normal MadMatt content that I've been putting out for 13 years, where we educate you and help you get out there on the trails and have a really positive off-roading experience. So stay tuned. This is going to be one crazy adventure. I've got to leave you with it, because I've got to go and drive up Beer O'Clock Hill. No idea what that's going to be like.